Hello everyone. Now come to the exercise of class 8, that is logical Venn diagrams. In this exercise we'll deal with the given question with the help of logical Venn diagram, which are quite easy if you uh, understand the Venn diagram representation of Venn diagram very well. Now come to the question. What is that? In the direction from 1 to 4, the direction are given, which is that which of the following diagram indicates the best relationship amongst the following. That means what? There are few things, few classes are given, and we have to find out what kind of a relationship we can establish in between that with the help of Venn diagram. So come to the question number first, that says that here it is three things, three classes are mentioned, that first is science, physics, and third one is chemistry. How we can represent with the help of a Venn diagram? Now we can represent with the help of such kind of a Venn diagram will represent the science, physics, and chemistry in the best way. How? We'll discuss. Now we can say that we are representing chemistry here, and we are representing physics here, but both are coming in a bigger circle. Why is it so? Because chemistry is a different subject, physics is also a different subject, both are different subject. That means there is no relationship in in between both the subject, but both chemistry and physics are a branches of a science. That means they all both are coming into the science. If we are studying the subject science, we'll have to study chemistry and physics both, but in between chemistry and physics there is no kind of a relationship. They both are different kind of a subjects. So this kind of Venn diagram will represent such things very well. Now come to the next question, that is moon, sun, and earth. It is quite easy because moon, sun, and earth, there is no relationship in between such things, because earth is a different planet, sun is other thing, and moon is also other thing. So we will represent all the three things with an individual Venn diagrams. Here it is. Here I mentioned that sun, it is sun, it is moon, it is earth. There is no such kind of a relationship in between all of the three things. Now come to the next question, that is question number third, dogs, pet animals, and animals. So again, if we will represent these three things, dogs, pet animals, and animals, will use this kind of a Venn diagram. Why? We'll explain this Venn diagram. Now, first of all, this small circle represent the whole dogs, the whole class of dogs. That means the whole species related with all the dogs. They all are will come in this circle, and all the pet animal will be represented by this circle. Now, this both this circle cutting to each other. Why? Because there are some dogs, some kind of, or maybe we can say that only a few, or only some dogs are pet animal, because every dog is not a pet animal. That's why we have taken some part of the dogs to the pet animals, and we can say that all the pet animals. This circle is representing the all the pet animals. So we have taken this some part of this pet animals into dog, because all the pet animals are not dog, only few pet animals are dog. That's why these two circles are cutting to each other. But if you are talking about dogs and if you are talking about pet animals, both are animal. So both the circles will be covered by a bigger circle, which will say that these are the animals. We can say that all the animals, whether it is all are animal, whether it is dogs or whether it is a pet animal. And we also can say that some dogs are pet animal, not the all dogs. And we also can say that some pet animals are dog, not every pet animal is a dog. So I hope this is clear. Question number third. Now come to the question number four, that is it represents lion, dog, and snake. Again, this is quite easy and simple question. Lion, dog, and snake will be represented by the three different circles. See, this circle represents lion, this circle represents dog, and this circle represents snake. Because lion is a different class, dog is also a different class, and snake is also a different class. There is no such any kind of a relationship in between lion, dog, and snake. So that's why these three classes will be represented by the other circle. These are the representation of Venn diagram for the given questions.